everyone, I'm Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. It's going to be a quick, short video today. I have a bunch of shoes to share with you today. Shoes are my favorite thing in the whole wide world, so I'm really glad that you showed up to check out my latest shoe haul. All of the shoes that I'm going to share with you today, I thrifted to resell in my Poshmark closet. That's what I do, guys. I go thrifting and treasure hunting for women's shoes and clothing pre-loved so that I can resell it for profit, and that is how I make my living. In today's video, I am going to share shoes that I picked up last week, and these shoes come from a variety of places, and it's still a really small haul. I picked up 2 pairs of shoes at 2 separate buy-sell trade stores. I have a couple pairs of shoes from Goodwill, and I also stopped in Tucson, Arizona on my way to Phoenix, Arizona, and I checked out a thrift store in Tucson that I had always wanted to go to because I had heard that the prices of shoes at this thrift store were great. So that's what today's video is all about. But I do want to share with you one piece of clothing that I picked up at Goodwill, and everything I picked up at Goodwill was 30% off. So I thought I would try this dress. This is just a polyester, a stretchy polyester printed dress, and this is by, I forgot who the brand is, 41 Hawthorne. This is a Stitch Fix brand. I am very, very familiar with Stitch Fix. I used to order lots and lots of their style boxes. Look at this fun pleated hemline. I like this dress. It's a size large, and I did pick this dress up for myself. I thought I would wear this to church, and then when I am finished with this dress, I will resell it. I've had pretty good luck reselling Stitch Fix brands. There's definitely a following for Stitch Fix, and especially in the larger sizes. So I did pick this dress up. I think I paid about $7 for this dress. If I love it, I will keep it. If not, I will resell it. And I only picked up 2 pairs of shoes from this Goodwill. My friend and I went to this Goodwill. It was a brand new to both of us store, and it was so unorganized. It was so hard to sift through their clothing, their offerings. Even their shoes were just piled on top of one another. But I did find these Torrid shoes. What size are these? These are a Torrid. These are a size 9. This is an all man-made shoe, but Torrid shoes tend to be a wider width, and there is definitely a following for Torrid shoes. These shoes are comping anywhere from like $18 to $25. They're in pretty good condition, a little scuffing on the bottom, but other than that, in pretty good condition. And this is the final pair of shoes that I picked up at that Goodwill. And these are Clarks. These are a Clarks heel. I normally stay away from heels. I occasionally pick them up, and I do like to pick up animal print heels. That's a little kitten heel, really short heel on this. This is true calf hair, and look at the bottoms of these guys. They are like brand new. They still have their stickers on them. Now, I discolored the soles on those when I was removing that the Sharpie. When I was removing the Sharpie, it did discolor these a bit, but that is the only flaw on these shoes. No one ever wore these shoes. I am not really drawn to Clarks, but they do sell pretty well. The comps on this particular shoe on Poshmark are anywhere from $19 all the way up to $65. I don't think these will be rapid sellers. I think they're going to do fine. I know I can find these a new home. They're a size 8. That's a pretty good size, in great condition. You guys, I didn't want to leave this Goodwill without something. You know what I'm talking about? We had gone in there, and I really wanted to purchase something. My friend Michelle walked away empty-handed. I need to be more like Michelle. So that is everything that I picked up at the Goodwill. I'm going to share with you next the items that I picked up in Tucson. We stopped at Deseret Industries. I wanted to stop at Deseret Industries because I have seen hauls out of this thrift store on the internet, and people get really good prices on shoes, and I did too. All of the shoes I am going to share with you from Deseret Industries cost $3. That was the price of the shoes. I did notice that boots and more substantial shoes were $6, and that was a flat rate. Now, we were traveling traveling from New Mexico to Phoenix, Arizona. So we stopped at Deseret Industries. My husband dropped me off. He went to get gas and take the dogs to the dog park. So I didn't have a lot of time. I told him I would call him, and guys, he dropped me off and I left my cell phone in the truck. So yeah, I just got shoes while I was there. And this is the first pair of shoes that I got. And these are in really, really nice condition, like new condition. They're a Mary Jane Comfort all leather shoe by the brand Echo. If you can see it right there, in really, really perfect condition. I have sold this brand before. This is a slow moving brand for me. These are a size 42, and that's a really nice size to add to my Poshmark closet because of the condition, because of the size, because of the price. I decided to pick these up and bring them home. And next up, this is another $3. Well, they were all $3. I guess I don't have to tell you every single time, but this is like new Toms. Yeah, you can see I didn't have to do any cleaning on this pair of almost like an aqua blue colored lace alpargata. This is a classic Tom, and this is in a size 7.5. So yeah, never worn. I'll sell these as good used condition because they don't have tags. I don't know if they were ever worn, but yeah, it doesn't look like it to me. I'm excited about these guys, and these don't have a size on them. But this is just like a rubber pair of shoes by the brand Native, if you can see it right there, in this fun yellow color. They look like this. They don't have a size on them. I think right here was the size dot, and it's gone now. And these were filthy. They were so dirty. So I just took a scrub brush and some Dawn dish soap to them and cleaned them right up. And these are really comfortable. I did try them on. I'm a size 8 to 8.5, and I felt like I could wear these maybe just a little bit large. So I'm guessing these are an 8.5 or a 9, but I did measure them and add measurements into my listing. But I was excited to find another pair of adult size Native shoes. All of the shoes I picked up at Deseret Industries are really suited for spring and summer, including these black calf hair crossover slide sandals, are almost like a flip-flop. This is kind of that sponge rubber, and these are by the brand, you might not be able to see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. Is it upside down? Dolce Vita. These still have the stickers on the soles of them. They are in like new condition. They're a small size. They're a 6.5, but I thought I'll get them because the condition is so good. Someone is going to want to wear these. I would definitely wear these sandals if they were in my size. I do tend to buy shoes that I love and would wear myself. I was excited when I found these, guys. I did check out the shoes, then I went over to dresses. I hadn't heard from my husband because my phone was in the car. And then I went back to shoes after dresses, and I found these. So I don't know if they put them out or if someone put them back, but this is an all leather sandal by the brand Madewell. And if you can see right there, it's Madewell. These are called the Boardwalk Crossover Leather Sandal. I found stock photos of these sandals, and the leather looked a little bit lighter. So I don't know. Maybe I need to look harder to see if I can find this color. This is what the soles look like. These were dirty soles, so I did have to clean them up. But Madewell shoes sell pretty well for me. Excited to find a pair of Madewell sandals. And this is the last pair of sandals that I found at Deseret Industries. They didn't have a big selection of shoes. The store was really, really large. I would have expected more shoes, but it was probably a good thing. I could have thrifted shoes all day. This is a really trendy sandal by the brand Zara. You can see right there. These are Zara. They're a size 37. This is a square-toed flat sandal by Zara. I wonder if these are leather. I don't remember. I believe these are just a synthetic or a man-made materials on these shoes. It does not say leather. It doesn't even say what they're made of, but I do like to sell Zara shoes. They tend to do pretty well if I can find the more recent styles. Okay, now guys, I'll share with you some shoes that I traded for. I got these shoes at Plato's Closet. I took some of my old stale inventory to Plato's Closet. They only took 2 items and they paid me $7. So I did have to come out of pocket just a bit to pick up these Resell sandals. I have sold this exact style before and they normally sell pretty quickly. These are a size 7. This is all elastic and this is leather. This is a padded footbed on these sandals and these are called the Ella sandal, and they are in kind of a metallic, it's almost a rose gold or a warm gold color on the top. And this is what the bottoms look like. They were kind of dirty and I did have to scrub them up, but have a lot of confidence in those shoes. Okay, I saved my favorites for last, and I'm hoping you guys might be able to help me out. I am a little bit sad I can't find any information on this leather shoe. These came from Uptown Cheapskate, where again, I traded some of my old stale inventory and I traded for these shoes. Let me take this out. These are Stuart Weitzman, if you can see right there, Stuart Weitzman. They are a size 8.5, which I think does it say there? No, it doesn't say there, but these are a size 8.5. They look like this, a bit of a square toe. And I called these a Roman sandal. They are black and burgundy. The burgundy is a suede and this black is a flat leather with the ankle strap there. But the toe strap is also adjustable right there. These are in really, really nice condition. And I could tell these were a contemporary style of Stuart Weitzman. So I thought I would easily be able to find information. I did not run comps before I purchased these. I just traded. I didn't purchase. I traded and I got home. I went to Phoenix. I came home and I thought I'll get these listed. And guys, I can't find any information about these super cool shoes that are my size. If I'm not able to sell them, I will keep them myself. As you guys know, I do that on far too often. But yeah, if you know anything about these Stuart Weitzman, yeah, help a girl out, because I thought it would be easier to find information and that has not been the case. That's all the shoes. It was a short one today, right? Can you believe it? Guys, I found so much in Phoenix. I am just beginning to process my bins haul from Phoenix, Arizona. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. The good news is I did bring home a bunch of shoes. In the past, Phoenix didn't have bins of shoes like in the past 2 trips that I was there, but this time they did. They had a bin of shoes on both days that I was there, and I came home with a lot of shoes. So if you enjoy shoe hauls, make sure you're subscribed, but I brought home far more clothes. So yeah, those videos will be coming at you very soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. I will see you very soon with the next video. Blessings.